Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. My battery dying. My battery is dying, guys. So yeah, man. So welcome. I'm back here in Trenchtown with another episode. And today, you know, we have a guest rolling in. You know, so I'm not gonna say who's who till when you see the person. We have a guest coming in today. But also remember, I got some donation that I put down in the vault for Esther Campbell that was missing. You know. She was missing, and we also have for Natisha as well too. So I guess Mother Teresa can meet the guests, you know, so they'll be arriving soon. So before they get there, I will give the donation that I got as well. You know what? I'm reading from here before we go out into the night, since outside is pure night. Hey Abigail, pray for me. Pray for me. Yes, congratulations, Abigail. Abigail is a Christian now, right? Esther, what are you waiting on? Oh, Esther baptized, I'm sure. Me? She said she wait how much water we gone now. So many rivers we've been to and so many beaches.
So baptized.
Long time, because while me under the water I've been praying. Praying. So I got 3,000 here for you, Esther. Esther give me some gear back. So I got 3,000 here for you from Jen from Canada as well too. Jen.
Thank you, Jen from Canada. I really appreciate it. And may the good Lord keep you safe.
Alright, so that's Jen from Canada and also Gigi as well too.
So you give me the money them I'm going to get back here.
You have to go keep them for me. So we have a package here from Gigi as well too. Yes, so we have one to get 1,000 each, you know, so we have 1,000 here for Esther from Gigi herself.
Thank you, Gigi. I really appreciate it. Good Lord keep you safe always.
Alright, then so outside there we got our resort baby, you know. Oh, there she is. Resort baby here. Resort baby is here on the corner.
Cheese!
Here, come here. And we have resort baby as well too. And we are showing me a report. Okay. Oh, okay, now shut.
Let me get our things then. I get our things then she go cook.
Oh, she go cooking?
Yes, that's what she's going to do.
She's going to cook. Oh, so Jamaica do some cooking. Cook. Well, man, shut the speed. Hey, I have to go change it back in a minute. Alright then, so Natisha.
Yeah.
I have a donation here for you as well too.
I'll put up mine and then mix it up again.
Yes. I have a donation here from Jen. From Canada, $3,000.
Oh.
Yes.
Out of the cold.
Yes, out of the cold. 3,000 here for you from Jen from Canada.
Yes, Miss Jen.
Miss Jen from Canada, big up yourself and blessings. May your food basket never run dry. Big up yourself again. Thank you for the donation.
Yes, Miss Jen.
I also have 1,000 here for you as well from Gigi, as well from the USA.
Miss Jen.
Gigi, big up yourself and bless up. May your food basket never run dry. Big up all of the extended family then. Same speed.
And also we got this envelope put on here from a good one from when Mary D was here. Yes, so Mary D was here. So you missed that trick there.
Mary D.
So this is your envelope here from Mary D.
Mary D, you don't know what think already. Big up and bless up from them time that till now, a long time we are come. I understand.
Say
The
must
food
pull
basket
it.
never run dry. She never tell you
Let me
that.
see what in it.
Marry
Say
dear,
don't
may your food basket never run dry, never empty. Big up yourself again.
Answer, she never said that.
Answer.
She say I must pull it and let me see what's in it.
That's my phone.
Tell her again.
Alright, so we give thanks to Mary B. We thank you so much, and Gigi, and also Jen. We thank you so much for blessing the remaining members and that wasn't here. So bless and love, and stay tuned for the guests. He'll be arriving soon, soon and very soon. Right.
From
Big up, big up, big up.
Final reach, brother.
Just touched down.
Hey.
I said I am YouTuber too.
Yeah, you know, say recently.
Yeah. So well, guys. So blessed love. Our guest has arrived. You know, he's here in the building. You know, he's here no other than
Pablo's creation.
Pablo's Creations. So see there.
Yeah.
So he's also a YouTuber as well too. Pablo's Creation. So you know, I create for the future, for the generation kids them. You know. So that's what we're doing. You need to for as well to inspire the kids them to continue the work, right?
Yeah man, are you, let me deal, brother. So, you inspire me, said me, because I watch what you do for the old people, and I say, I do it for the youth them.
True.
Now, I did some donation for the school, Osemati, before, like in 2018. I actually print t-shirts and stuff, so what I did, I donate a full press printing machine, everything. Yeah, I'm donate t-shirts, ink, squeegee, power washer, everything to start a business.
Yeah.
So, and then after that, now I came down and do the presentation, and I actually donate to the home meat department because I do crazy fruit carving. If you go on my channel and see all them things, I do crazy fruit carving. I even blindfold myself.
Yeah.
And carve and make a platter blindfolding myself.
Blindfold.
Little can't tell you, little watch it.
Yeah.
Little go on my channel all the while, yeah.
Yes.
Blindfold myself and do all of that. And actually I went over there and build up, do a little construction and build a printing department in the art and craft department. But because of COVID, school is on and off for a while. So I actually saw where they have needs for. They never have no microphone at the time. So I bring some microphone and I say I get a drum set over here. Because when you look at it, the youth, they have future.
Yeah.
But it's only we are the whole one who could brighten the future for them. So therefore, what I did, I went back home and I made my voice be heard. I start get equipment from all over. A one man drive 800 miles and bring me a set of drum. I start get stuff all over. I ship off a big crate. So yesterday we have a presentation of a school and we have people from Ministry of Education involved. It was my visit over there was official.
Yeah.
We have a big ceremony.
Great work. Yes, great work.
We have a big ceremony over school, Osemati, and you know, I'm gonna put it up on my YouTube channel so
they can check it out.
Because I send down like about 11 guitars. You know, I send down like 3 keyboards, guitars, drum set, saxophone.
Yeah.
I send down trombone, trumpet. What do you call this one? A violin.
Yeah. Violin.
Excuse that because I'm not a musician, brother. But I look at it this way.
Well, the kids me I look out for.
Every guitar you give a youth, you know. Every guitar you give a youth is one less M16, brother.
True.
So,
True, one less M16 as well, so guys, one less.
And it's a pleasure yesterday when I actually saw the kids playing that drum set, brother. It brings tears to my eye, man.
Yeah.
And I saw how the kids really could play that music, you know. We have a sermon for about 2 hours yesterday. It was good, man, real good. Wow. So tomorrow now, they asked me to come back over there and do another presentation for the t-shirt printing.
Okay.
So
and this is the I used to print as well to the same machine.
Yeah, man, you go, I hit something, This is a DTF though. A new type of printer called DTF.
DTF.
Yeah, where you transfer the film.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So it's
But this is not inside the t-shirt.
No, this is on top.
On top.
Yeah, because of fasting, I come down with us.
Okay.
This a DTF too, you know.
Oh, that one, yeah.
A DTF, yeah, man.
Okay.
As a printer, I can look on them and know that.
Yeah.
DTF. So DTF are the new technology now I take over.
Okay.
So the DTF now you actually print it on a film and then heat presses onto the shirt.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
okay.
So it's a faster thing, you know.
Yeah. Boom, show a prefect for me there.
You know what I mean?
And so we have that t-shirt up behind you.
Jaja, no, excuse me.
You know, lunch stand up behind you.
No, no. Listen, you was one of my favorite friends I build that house and you know I'm in love with you.
That's like, no.
I'm in love with you. The way you grow your youth. Your youth they never talk about that much. Trust me, if your youth come out and get up.
Yeah.
And she have two nice daughters and a son. Two sons and a daughter, yeah. I mean I tell you say them just humble. What to Junior?
At work.
At work. The little boy at work.
I put in the work.
Sean no star. Junior at work.
Working.
That's good. And that just me. If you look at the comments and Kino like, you see, people tell you, oh, you're a good mom. He's a real good mom in the ghetto. You know what I mean? And I like how you, because before, you know, I tell you the truth, you know, you look depressed, you know. And you put on a whole, you look round up, you know.
Yeah. Oh, like an English pound.
Yeah, you see.
What's there?
It's a good life.
A good life, man, but
Thank God for Kino.
we know that.
I remember.
Extended family. Yeah.
Whoa, chef!
Change over, transform.
Yeah, man. But he was one of the original man when I watch, but I tell you, at the time when I have a girlfriend, I couldn't even watch by myself. She want me if you watch it, me have to tell her what Kino said.
Yeah.
Years ago, I call her, but you know, I remember. Years ago, I call her and tell her that, and I tell her, say, yo, me want to do with the shoes thing with you. And
Yeah.
You know, I remember everybody. And
Shoes.
sometimes I just give me call her, just give you time to do your thing. You know what I mean? So that's why I tell you, say, give me a little number.
So you can communicate
Yeah,
with
I
her.
don't want to communicate with you, but when I come here no more and see you.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, I don't want to communicate with you, brother, because I don't know.
You're busy.
Yeah, you're busy. You think, man.
You're busy, yeah, man. Whoa, chef! Trying to get the whoa, chef. I don't have face on them.
Ugly face upon him. I want to see my own.
Hold on.
I tell you the truth, if it's ugly,
On behalf of Pablo's creation, you know.
Yeah.
I present this to you as a new YouTuber, you know.
Thank
See,
you.
and it's a Bluetooth cup, you can play your music while.
Whoa.
Yeah, you can play your music while.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, that Esther Campbell.
Respect me, brother.
It's the established.
Hey.
Respect, wow. Yeah.
Thank you.
This is the Kino, you know.
Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, and
See
see
that?
the logo up on the side.
Yes,
See?
man. So give thanks, Pablo Creation. See the Kino life
And this
in
is the one I
Jamaica.
know, you know the tingo.
You know the thing.
You know the
though.
tingo.
Green mango.
Yeah,
You know how the thing
and
go.
then after, Mother Teresa. You see? Yeah.
Hey. See the Mother Teresa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, you know, see the great warrior, whoa, you know.
See it, man.
Yeah, I love, man.
Respect that.
I watch it a long time.
You have to see prefect there.
I'm so long figures. I'm so long.
Yeah.
Long time I watch it.
A lot of them. Alright, all Kino.
Yeah, man. People say Jamaica sit the brother just believes everything of Jamaica bad. Because I never know there's such close trench on there to Five Road, 1 block away. But these are deep down there, so get to here.
Right off of Spanish Town.
Oh, so yeah. Walk in this that one. What you think? Sometimes Bob Marley plays it.
Down pan the first street where you pass coming up. The first street where you pass coming up.
Well, I'm going to take a picture of this.
The first street. Yeah, man, we can go down there. Police, may I ride Bob Marley bicycle, guys, so now I'm gonna ride.
So every day there, where your phone there?
May I ride Bob Marley bicycle?
The reels, you're not in the reels.
I'm riding Bob Marley bicycle.
A Bob Marley bicycle there?
Yes, Bob Marley bicycle.
In a good shape though.
In a good shape. Guys, the Bob Marley bicycle.
It's stiff though.
Catch me on the Bob Marley.
Oh.
Bob Marley bicycle. Yeah, I'm up on Bob Marley bicycle. Catch one. Bob Marley bicycle, you know?
Tell him to. A Bob Marley bicycle that's in now.
I'm joking on it.
That's true.
Bob Marley bicycle.
A Bob Marley bicycle.
Bob Marley bicycle. Bob Marley. The bicycle is about to go to Bob Marley.
Yeah, man, I trim keep it on.
Yeah, keep it, yeah. Keep on care.
You want to say? You play away. I can get out.
True, man. Bob Marley is riding a bicycle.
Yeah, feel money say look, bend up.
Original bicycle from the board barrier.
Board frame. Yeah.
This is how Bob Marley is riding now.
Yeah.
Bob Marley bicycle. Trench coat.
The wall. All of it. To a Bob Marley. Maybe hurt me.
That is the Bob Marley bicycle.
Look at Bob Marley in them days.
No.
What am I riding?
Talk the truth, look at Bob Marley in them days, though.
Yeah, relax there.
To my left, yeah. So Bob Marley start in them days. You know?
Young Bob.
I'm the young Bob. Bob in his days. That is it. Well, so Jamaica. So right now we have Dream Team of them sports team. Right, guys, so Dream Team of them sports team. You know, we have a big up Pablo creation. Dream Team of them sports team. Whoa.
Yeah, man, whoa.
Sports team, Dream Team of them sports team, you know. You say fit you?
No. Pablo.
Pablo. Yeah, creation.
Pablo creation.
P-A-B-L-O-Z.
Boy, John was there. I tell you, right now, I'm going to try on my own right now. So I get the foot up and run in there. I'm now on a socks. You have socks? Yes, I want socks. Pablo.
You see there?
Now, the socks don't run away. Yeah. They're socks now.
Pablo creation, blessed and one love, you know, thank to the scripture.
Much of your hat where you have on now, your tongue where you have on.
Watch it now.
And your armband, your wristband.
Jamaica band. Eh?
What size that?
Yeah.
Let's try to get your one.
The band that short from Kobe.
What's that? Let's look out for you.
Tell me now.
You want to eat? Try one.
So Dream Team have them sports team. Jenna, your size?
Yeah, man, the right size and size 8. Well close and neat for my foot. You hear that?
Natish.
You have the
Up and running.
kids one for the junior Dream Team. What about kids shoes there? Size 5 and up.
7'6". 7'7". Este one can 7.
No man. 7 and a half is this.
Jackson, your size not there, so. Find your size?
No man, what the mortgage are different.
So you have a custom made your own Jackson. Here you find your size, right? Yes. So Jackson one have a custom made, you have to put the Rasta Jackson on it. Right away, so Dream Team is custom made, so this is 12. You find your size, Mui? Loosen this for me, please.
I left foot that you have, Kino.
Alright.
And you want to, you know, Esther? You know, I get nothing else. You make me a promise.
Eh?
I want to see how good.
I'm there look for. I'm there look for too.
You not get nothing else. When you come,
I'm there look for. 10. 10
you come
she
Orlando.
stay. Yeah, 10.
Alright. Alright. You hear that? She will against you now, say up to you, know.
Yeah, me and I, yeah, we're going on now. You see that? All right. Dream team, sports team. Running shows, run up and down. Yellow, put this in it. Yellow. Try them first, you know. Try them.
Try mine. We can't try it. Baby.
Oh.
Eh?
Hey, we love how you have baby people live.
So I see them. Can you look on the rocks?
Wow, we say, wow, you know? It's there. It's fitted.
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, that people different, you know?
Whoa, get it.
Master League, you know, title like a master. Jamaica culture, I'm sure, no, you know.
So what, you take out the insole?
Yeah, man.
You're just different, brother. You're unique, you know?
I don't want to wait till I fit him properly.
We fit proper in the
You take out the insole.
Yeah.
brother, in the brother. So, two
My favorite. Yeah, them man, I tell you. Well, I'm looking at the favorite. So what's 7 years?
Pablo creation. Pablo will give thanks and big up
A long
every
time,
time.
you know, Kino, I tell them shoes. A long time I call, you know. Couple of years now, no?
Yeah.
I send some pics on shoes coming.
Yeah, good while now
Yeah,
when
man,
them there.
we before COVID, man, when so much people now do YouTube. I never think about YouTube like that. Cause I never know what I want to do.
True.
You know what I mean? I never want to do YouTube.
So now Dream Team have them sports team.
You see it?
You see, now we have the sports team.
Right.
So Dream Team have them sports team. You see me? Right away. Boom it, match you already. Boom it. Can't put on next footman and done. Let's put on next foot and done.
You know, I'm dirty though.
It's like she don't know outside.
No, they're baby size. They don't
Yeah, so I'm saying I hope a kid size though, so they have kids.
Yeah, when I kids start.
Yeah.
When I kids
No, just to go big.
Can you find one for the Daniela?
I look for. I need 5. I make Kino go keep it. No, no, down there. No.
Is there
one
string
put
this?
a yellow and one put a blue.
This one is string. Alright, that's what I'm saying. The string is a different color. You know, we get one colors, but colors go. I
Oh,
don't know the size here.
our color size. You know what colors? Color size are big foot, you know.
I got 12.
Yeah. Them appear small size, them are less bad.
11, yeah, so. 11 now go fit him.
She said, look there.
They're bigger.
I want 7.
Go on the left foot now.
No, give me 7. Give me 7.
Well, guys, so we have to give thanks to Pablo Creation and turn Dream Team in our sports team right now. You know, so we're getting ready to go to the Olympics, you know. So gearing up to go to the Olympics. That's where we're heading to the Olympics. Run out, jealousy, run out.
Yeah, I'm trying mine. I've even won this. Size 10 shoe here. You can't fit that cut off piece of wood.
So boom, I lace up female and thing. Gears up, boom. Who? Alright guys, I'm going to thank Pablo Creation now. Give me a round of applause to thank him now, please. See there?
Yes, Pablo.
Pablo Creation, see there? Shoes. So right now we have the Dream Team sports team. Right, so we're getting ready. Yes, this is the Dream Team sports team. We're getting ready to go to the Olympics, guys, you know. So our chef will be doing swimming. So our chef will be swimming for Dream Team.
Yes, man, because I'm last race nowadays. Straight, but you know, not again, man, different race, you know.
Yes.
I know my last race, I pull it too small.
Yeah.
You don't want more time, yeah.
Bar two coming up, man.
Yeah.
You don't want a bigger pool, give more time.
Yes, give him more time to swim around. And say become colors. So Jackson one of our custom made. Esther, the phone.
Yeah, we want to switch it on. Look, you know, in the point, getting there low.
Did I switch back our camera?
I made it switch it. I made it.
Right, so I'm saying check out Pablo Creation.
Pablo, P-A-B-L-O-Z.
Yeah, so the link will be in the description.
P-A-B-L-O-Z.
See there?
In America we call it Z.
Yes.
Pablo's
Creation
Yeah,
on
man.
YouTube.
Yeah, man.
You know, guys, just give him a support, and I'll put the link in the description. You know, I want to thank him so much for passing through to come here in Trenchtown, you know, and to give us our blessings. You know, everyone turn Dream Team turn sports team right now.
Yeah,
you know, we're going to the Olympics, and we have to thank him so much as well for that. Pablo, big up yourself, man. I love and love.
Not it. Young as.
Fit you. Yes, you see.
Hero.
So you see the 5 would fit part and the 6 have a fit. Yeah, man. We are forward, man.
Straight up. How much?
Yes.
Safari said we had footage and whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. We are pass through for true, man.
You have to work
Yes.
nothing, brother. Yeah, man. General. Love and blessing. Love and blessing.
Jenna.
One general, you know. Yeah, man. One general. Yeah, Papa, respect.
Yeah, I'm a year copy second. It's not Escobar, but it's Pablo. When we say Pablo, you know how it was.
Yeah.
Original Pablo. You don't have to add on or put on nothing to it, is it?
Yeah.
A Pablo. Yeah, a Dream Team special me attack, you know. So look more you going to see it on your YouTube. You hear flatty.
Yeah.
So big up Pablo.
Yeah, man.
And I'm saying, no, we don't go to no tune today. But we have a big up Pablo.
Yeah.
Boom!
Yeah, man. I definitely give a big up.
Rasta Jackson. Yeah, man. Listen. Catch on the rebound here. Love and blessing here.
Alright, then.
Respect. Alright.
Yes. You know what I think, man. Cool, man. Give thanks, man, and go and big up here. Until then.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah.
Driver. Big up.
Not shot.
One more ball for come. Because you say kids them one day, we have to get the kids them what they are so.
Yeah, man, what do you if you have a shoes them? Can we pack half man, half adults and half kids.
Yeah.
Alright. The whole thing about it is we deal for you. So tomorrow I'm going over to school. I'm in a classroom from morning to leaving tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I guess so. I don't have to do that. I mean, if a business up there, business space, I'll come for that. So it's like we can't do nothing with the kids there. So I say, kids they have to have their shoes.
We appreciate because remember you have the names them and who I want to get it.
Right,
so.
I don't know, me there, I don't know where it go. And sooner or later, we can start put more together.
Yeah.
I'm not for there.
Let's make it happen.
I'm go, we can start that.
Yeah.
Don't like me have to go buy them. They did it. A whole container, brother. So they did it, man. So I'm go, we can just start put back together.
That is it.
See it? Natural. Alright. Got you, yeah?
Holy bad.
Ah, my general. Wow. Oh.
They're gonna block man, you see? Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so we're on it like Sonic, you know? Sonic that on it like Crash Bandic. Alright guys, so so welcome. You know, I hope you have a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, we're here. And you know, today the journey continue with the Wow Chef. You know, you know the chef.
Whoa, yeah man, twice, you know?
The Afro Spikes.
Yeah man, you see? They're up on the Gideon same way, you know?
Yeah, the man with the 2 hearts. The guy said, no one said the man have two hearts. So he's put in one right now.
Yeah man.
So he have one for life and one for love.
Love, yeah man, you see?
So you know the thing go ladies.
Yeah man.
2 hearts, one for life, one for love.
Yeah man, you see?
One for life, one for love. So guys, so we'll just get some granite sand.
Yeah.
And some cement to do some more flashing. And a 4-inch pipe as well too. To finish off everything. So you know, so the cat go down the road. So you know when they go down the road, they don't need to push.
Yeah.
You know? You have to keep up with the pace. You know, who remember these days? Okay. Handcart ride. Handcart life in Jamaica.
Yeah man.
Nothing nice like pushing the handcart. And when it's going downhill, jeez! You know the thing already. Down the road. Guys, so we're going down the hill. We're not on the brakes, you know, so you know the thing, we have to break it up. Yeah. You know, so we have to break it up. I don't know, you don't want the car go. This car running at somebody's car right now. Our car run out, you know, we right in the crossroad. You know. Yeah, so as I said, this.
My boy, them out beat you. Oh boy, okay, sir.
Oh, them beat him up.
Yeah man, beat you up for me, you know.
Alright, so guys, so anyway, the thing goes when you drive your handcart, you're going down the hill. It got no brakes, because usually you can put a brakes here, a piece of rubber, but there's none on it. So this time you have to make your foot turn the brake.
Yeah, I'm going to just try and get it back in control.
Because if you're running across this crossroad right here and a car come out, hey, I'm telling you, so you look left and look right, nothing. So you know the thing go. So this is it. So today we're going to get some granite in off the wall. Hold on, like how we have go park up the car right there, so I'll scan for a minute. Yeah. Like how we have past scanner, we have one donation for scanner. Cold food. Alright guys, so I'm driving past scanner.
Yeah man.
Scanner! Come here, whoa. Come well about your family.
Yeah, like this and fly out.
Scanner! All is well, General. Cool, in the ghetto. Scanner!
Scan them up.
Scan them up.
Go on.
Scanner, relax.
Scan your family and blood now. We better than you. Don't brother man.
Scanner and cook the car.
We don't put something in man. We have to do this now.
Hold on, yeah. Yes guys, so like our passing, you know, we have a donation for scanner. And we have some US. So scanner, we have to get the change film. Scanner! Come here. Come here, scanner. Today we have some foreign money for you. Come. Scanner. Because I'm passing. You know we are putting some work here. See the guys done by the Dream Team. Done by the Dream Team. Scanner, I have a donation here for you. From Heather. Yeah, her name is Heather. Yeah, from the USA. I got $50 here for you.
I come like $1 million. Thanks, Heather.
Yeah. $50 US here for you. See it here, 220 and a 10.
Yeah.
That's 50 US.
Thank you, Eda.
Header. So yeah.
I also hot plate more now and that dip on my brain, that mash up my brain.
Hot plate.
Yeah. Cause I have food in the scenery, I have to try and go give Philip more time. You say you have no rice, but just carry all the 2 pounds. And I cook and give me scenery.
Of course. That's how it's supposed. So you have
I tell me say, you have share with him.
No, of course you're supposed to. Because you might always share with it too though.
Yeah.
So once you want to share with it, you share back with him. Right?
The kid said they send me the computer. You don't get to him yet.
Who?
The kid was gonna give me a computer.
Someone said they might give you a computer?
Yeah, like this.
Who said that?
Your friend, what come here?
Which friend?
Rosa Rose family.
Rosa Rose family? Yeah. The Ellis?
Yeah.
I'm saying that give you a computer?
A phone.
Oh, I'm get you a phone. No, I'm not here for him. I'm not here for him.
I'm not really running down on the thing, but
yeah.
True Carlos is right here. He will teach me to use it.
Okay. Well, you know, whenever I'm saying it, you will know. Or whenever probably.
I know that. Do I have to say that?
Probably is when he's come back Jamaica, you will get it.
Don't get myself too excited.
Yes. Go and wait patiently, right?
Yeah.
That is it. So what I was saying, you have someone that can change it for you, the US? You know someone that can change it?
Yeah, I will make it because it's our back of money over there.
Esther can change it for you.
Not all of this billion. 5 billion this is.
Alright then. I'm saying Esther can change it for you as well today, right?
If I change all of it, I'm gonna get too hype, you know?
Okay, yes, you know.
I'm gonna spend it too hard, you know?
Yes.
You just 5 million.
Just, alright then, Scanner. This is 5 million.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, Scanner. So I'll catch you up, right?
Yeah. And all of the crew, give them more strength and guidance. Yeah. The dream team and the life team together.
Yes.
And keep it real.
That is it. We get every time.
Yeah. Eda, all the best.
Alright then, blessings to all.
Could never rest.
Alright.
A lot of thanks.
Alright then.
My lyrics them coming like
hey, man, I tell you. I don't know where you get them
like
from.
A party subject me all up in our brains, you know, and not in peace, you know.
Hey, who knows you have it or not talk? You have it or not.
With sense of humor, I have that billions. Yeah.
You have it or not talking, man.
I just acting. And poor time don't go to talking. But you can suggest at times. Yeah.
At times.
Yeah.
It's kind of full of lyrics. Kind of why it's kind of never turn an artist.
That's why you know? Be telling me that
why? Yeah.
I should.
You should, right?
I should be an artist.
Yeah, you should.
Up by 5th Street, Bob Marley Street.
Yes.
Bob Marley Highway should say. See, they would have Bob Marley have a highway in Trenchtown. No, not highway.
Highway.
Yeah, Bob Marley Highway is 5th Street.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a new lyrics, you know.
Okay,
new pre-release.
Yes.
Eda, to the world, all of the thanks.
Alright then, so we just passing
5 million, you know. So I'm to getting excited.
Alright then.
Yeah. And you take care to you.
Alright then.
You have the nephew for the dream team. You are the nephew for the dream team. I'm the grandfather. I'll give you more strength to carry on.
Yes, that is it.
Yeah, that is not no money talk, you know.
Alright then, that is it. Real talk.
Natural talk. Come from the old toenail coming up to my ear root. Yeah. One of the shoes mess up my toe, you know. I've been on nearly 5 weeks. Coming never.
Mess up your toe?
No slippers yet. Coming there, I pose in a pretty shoes. What should I do with my toe?
It mash up your toe?
You can do the other if you want. Why? I'm not excited still.
Yeah.
I don't know if I have to cut it off.
Cut it off or bad it is?
You don't.
Which one is it?
The big one.
The big one?
Yeah. And I cut in toenail already, the little one. Piece of the skin chop off. And Liquor said, you should make me cut the toenail. You shouldn't cut no toenail in this kind.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
So when I make you come and cut it for you?
I have to do that now.
Make sure come and cut it for you.
I didn't do that. But he said, you should make me cut it. You shouldn't do that.
Yes.
2 weeks now, when I lie down and it touches the mattress, it hurt me.
Oh, okay. Tender. So make sure come and cut it for you, okay? Just tell her to come and cut it.
Yeah, but this one I have to saw off. This one effective.
Saw?
It have to saw off. The two and everything have to saw off. And this one, 9 of the toes sprained and 1 broke. From about a little boy. Look at it how it look insipid.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, young guy it break? Yeah?
9 of them sprained and 1 broke. Yeah.
Wow.
Football.
Football.
I kick all sardine till it bend up in and milk tin. We all love ball.
Scatter
Football
something
carry
else.
me away out of my lifestyle thing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And I have to lose my foot. I don't know if they cut it off like Garty. Garty said, when the foot cut off, the foot come up, so look now. Like a spring up on him foot.
Yeah.
It's a weight, Garty. You say doctor don't get frightened.
Yeah, it's kind of, you're something else. Alright then, so big up, so I'm going to run pan your finish off the work, I'm going to go on with you,
Yeah, so many work, you know.
So many.
But Marley says so many trouble in the world, but you have so many work in the world.
So many.
Yeah. You highlight it. You evangelize what's going on. And you see what's going on, it's just clear out. Everything just too smooth. After a storm,
must be a calm.
Keep it. Team crew, loving it to the bone. And that is real. That is not no more talk to me feel happy. I just happy with clean the words and lyrics.
Yes.
We select. Yeah, and selection is the best. When you select the positive thing, no problem.
No problem. That is it. Big up.
Yeah, and remember that kid gonna send you that computer.
He's not gonna send me, probably when him come.
He gonna send you.
He's gonna send me.
It's a mystic, you know.
Okay.
It's like a telepathic calling.
Yes.
Yeah, it's real.
Alright then. I believe you. I believe you.
I'm not thinking, I know him.
You know him.
Yeah.
That is it. It's kinda, that is it. Yeah, that is kinda something else. So like while I was passing and I got that donation, so I just drop it off while I'm here. You know, so I'm heading back now on World Chef project. World Chef is out here. World Chef is out here doing a video. Isn't it? Yeah. So World Chef pick up a passenger.
Yeah man, you know, 3 o'clock, him take extra lesson, you know.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, him man.
Remember, man. Remember, I'm saying I go put it down.
Oh, remember say I put it down? Wait there, where you put it?
Where you put it? Wait a minute. Alright then. Yeah man. Where I say? Huh? Alright. So you're getting a free ride home, right? Getting a free ride home? You have a taxi fare? Give me your money. Where your money there? Eh? It's done? You done the whole light already?
Yo, there. Come on the road, man. Get that back. What do you do this about?
Anashi.
Anashi. Oh. Oh, mama. Anashi.
Alright, take your time going at this. Don't push it like the last time, you know. Okay, yeah, push now. Voila.
You say I leave the boy?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. You might be in there already, man. Naturally go on.
Same I do today.
What is it? What is it?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I'm going to see it.
Yeah, see the banner one. part of my hero.
Only living hero. Guys, this is the only, you know, so we have a lot of new subscribers. And for who didn't know, isn't it? This is Tremaine, we call the hero. He's the only living hero right now in Jamaica. The reason why them call him hero because he saved a little boy from drowning inside a washing tide in a gully, go all the way down to Marcus Garvey Drive. He jumped in the gully and saved the little boy. And he's been honored by the Prime Minister as well too. So that's why we call him hero, you know, they're giving the title hero. So this is hero, the only living hero in Town, guys. So see there, you know. Because most heroes them we know they died, right? So this one is alive. So he's the only living hero. Trust me, the only living hero. And imagine how many people gonna see a gully, right, full of water washing down, like literally, and wrist and cannot swim, and jump in it to save a little boy that's washing away. Like imagine the fear that's gonna go through you. And that's what hero done, and jump in the gully. Yeah, I'm a little boy wash all the way down to how far you got hero? We are down to the bottom of Maple Cemetery, heading down to Marcus Garvey Drive. You know, it's only a 3 limb in Walla and Pan, and that saved them both. You know, which was the Almighty in play. You know, it goes already, and you know, it's been honored by the Prime Minister. You know, he get his award and everything. So we have to give thanks to him. So we have the hero on our team. You know. So Dream Team consists of so many talents. We have hero, we have artists, we have footballer, we have plumber, we have mason, you know. We have jack of all trades, you know. So it's so much. I'm bound about just rolling in. 30 there, go and mix up, waiting for the leg to get ready. We are boom down the mine, just roll in. So boom, guys, so boom just leave him school work, and now I'm back on the volunteer charity work here in his community. So you see, and we have an talented man as well. So I'm going to come give you a punch yet, you know, guys. Yeah, him saying below and everything, and we don't see him come give us a day all now. Yeah. Right, so
come link up, man.
Him been saying that.
Yeah, right. It's a bad man. So come link up, man.
Alright, we're waiting. We're waiting. Alright,
brother.
Alright then, big up.
Yeah.
You see there, so we have Mother Teresa as well too. We always put in our 1s and 2s and half pounds and pounds. You know, always. We are going to mix up with granite. Yeah. So Natural's going to do some flashing today. We have Rasta Jackson on the bass.
Yes, sir.
You know the thing goes.
Yes. Every time we got family, every time. Yes, every time.
So today now we're going to granite out this side, flash it out this side, you know. And this side as well too. You know. On the inside and all of that. So we're getting these necessary parts out the way, because you can see the major work has been done. You know, so now it's just the smooth enough, and then we're going to go down to the tiling. So as we're going to get down to the tiling, we have some donation as well for the wow chef, you know, towards his tiling as well too. So alright, so let me catch the camera, that's a lie. So I'm catching the camera, guys. So 1 minute. So I want to thank you guys, each and everyone that support our program, you know, give a helping hand. We thank you so much. So we got some donation towards the Row Chef tiling as well too. And we have to thank you so much as well too for helping out. So just give me 1 sec. Camera high. Hi. Alright, so oh chef, step down here for me for a minute, please.
Here.
Please and thanks. Guys, so you see, anything you're doing in life, you have to always say please. You know, that's what them teach you manners. Them used to say manners carry through the world. I'm gonna tell the whole chef go to embassy and tell them say him have manners. And you will get a visa.
Right away, you know?
Oh, chef, them say manners carry through the world.
So my first go up there and say good morning.
I have manners.
I have manners.
Yes, and they will give you the visa.
Oh, me I go through the world now. So just go up there and tell them say good morning.
Yes, my name is Wow Chef, and I have manners.
I have manners.
And them say manners carry through the world. Can I get my visa, please? Can you say please? I want to go to New York.
I try it.
Yes.
I try it, you know.
Nothing tried, nothing done, right?
Try it, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, so that is the way to all peace. So guys, so we must all
I'm gonna try it. Manners bring it to the world. I'm going to go through the world, you know.
Yes.
I don't know.
So let's go and say, please, good afternoon, good morning, yes, you have manners.
Yeah.
Alright, so like how we have manners now, so we have a donation here to help out, you know, because remember I asked for, next thing we're going to do is to tile out your bedroom and the kitchen and the bathroom. You know, so as doing so, we have to gather some donations. So here we have 2,500 here for you from Tony from Ilford, UK.
Tony Ilford from UK.
Yes, 2,500.
Blessing and thank you very much, you know. You can get to the bottom, you know.
No
No,
bottom.
not to the bottom.
To the
You can get to the end, cause I like the word bottom. Like, you can get to the end, you know.
Yeah.
You can get to the finishing line. You know?
Yeah, down to the finishing line.
To the finishing line.
No
Sorry
end,
about that.
the finishing line.
My manners, you know, can
Yes.
go to the world. So sorry, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see? Yeah, man.
Alright, guys. So, guys, you hear him say correction. You see him have manners.
Yeah, man.
Him say his apology, right? So don't crucify him if you hear him say bottom to the end.
To the end, you see? Yeah, man. I go for the embassy and tell him some have manners. You know?
Alright. Carry through the world,
you know?
of course.
Yeah, man.
Right through the world, yeah, go.
Yeah.
Alright, so worship, we have 14,000 here for you from Faye from New Jersey. Towards your time, towards your tiling. Faye
Yeah, man.
from New Jersey.
Fair from New Jersey. Jersey, you know, my place in New York, same way, you know that.
Yeah.
Big up in the mama. Enough love, holy for blessing, you know. Thank you very much, you know.
Yes.
Please again, you know, manners to the world. You see me I say?
Yes.
So, yeah, big up yourself, you know. Enough love, holy for blessing, you know.
Every time.
Two art them, you know, right now, I don't even know which one to so right, you know. Two of them are work, you know. Yeah, man, you see it? They're work, you know.
They're working.
Yeah, I'm working.
So and there's another donation here towards your tiling. Now we have 14,000 from Mumsy from the USA.
Mumsy from USA.
Yes, 14,000 from Mumsy from
Mumsy
the
from
USA.
Holy for blessing, enough love, you know. Lots of more work to put out, you know.
Yeah.
Tiling and all it more little things, you see me I say? Mumsy, it's a man that's carried through the world, I'm not stop telling you, you know. Yeah, man. Please, I'm going to go to the embassy to tell them to please. Thank you very much.
Yes.
So I'm going to get my visa and I'm just tell them thank them very much, you know.
Yes, eh.
Thank you very much, you know. Holy for blessing, enough love, you know. Yeah.
Alright.
You know? You see?
Alright, so we have another donation and we have this from Outstanding Boutique. Yes.
Outstanding Boutique.
Yes. So Outstanding Boutique, and you remember as well, one time we went to we give them the grocery them in the Waterhouse.
Yeah,
the lady will come, Outstanding Boutique. Yes.
Oh yeah, that won't make a man there.
Yes, so this is from her as well to help out with the tiling. So guys, we want to go and check out Outstanding Boutique. You know.
Outstanding Boutique. Well, I love to see you again, you know. Holy for blessing, enough love, you know. We not left Waterhouse and we not left Spanish Town, so.
Yes.
And to be back with nice reason. Holy for blessing, enough love. Yeah.
Alright guys, so Outstanding Boutique is the one that we're giving us some groceries in Waterhouse. Hold on, Barney. We're giving us some groceries in Waterhouse where you should come. I will start out the barrel, you know. So she's the one that sent this donation and she have a closing line, you know, she sent everything.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put some link or something across where you can see, you know, you can give her go over there and give her some support. Outstanding Boutique, you know, so you can give her some support and that. So here's 21,000 euro chef for you from her. So she's giving back same way. 21,000 from Outstanding Boutique.
Outstanding Boutique, holy for blessing, enough love, you know. Yeah, man, God, I tell you. Blessing, you know. enough love. Well, come check out your close landing still, you know. Yeah, man, a close line, you know. So I can look online and see them, you know. Blessed love, yeah. Enough blessing. Only for love, you know, outstanding.
Yeah, man.
I have a lot of things to deal with now, you see?
Yes. There's going to be a link, you know, there's going to be a link where you can go and check out our website. You can check out our closing line in everything that she's doing.
Close line on the website, I check them out, man. So if I want to look on the internet, I see it, man.
Yes, outstanding boutique. So we thank you so much.
Thank you so much, very much. Holy Pablo, a blessed love, you know.
Alright, from the whole chef, 2 art.
2 art, them, you know.
One on the right and one on the left.
Yeah, man.
One for life or one for love.
No, man, the one that the strength one, you know.
No, but I have love over there, so look now. You have our love.
You know, man, the one that for love,
you have whole chef.
I don't want for love, man, the right side of love, you know.
Okay.
And the left side, I eat on it.
Life.
Pump the life, you know. Yeah, man, you see it? Yeah, man.
Alright, give thanks. Outstanding boutique. So we give thanks. So we thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
You know, for blessing the whole chef and each and everyone that helping out on his journey. As we say, we are on the journey here. You know, one continue finish off so we can move on to another member. You know, and help them out with a bathroom and a bathroom as well. So that is the aim as well, to guys. So, anything.
We use on
Show cement, man.
But big bag, something in the face.
That is it. That is it. Cock. Buckle cock. Okay.
What good enough?
What up, eh? Yes, Talpe. It's a granny thing, because it's your job, this, you know. That me tell natural body, you know, so your work, this, you know. Oh, flashing, not granny thing. Learn it. Why not learn it? Alright, bro. Half bag of yeah. Well, you have showing. You are think that you are going. Yes, guys. So this is called a granitin. Granitin wall. Wow, but so you see the wall now smooth. Our worship need now the window to go in. Whenever for your next step. Too soft, I want it quick. Quick. See too. Time cool.
Cool, that's why I have to mix rich. Cool, I think more cement.
More cement, oh.
But if you make it cool to a certain dimension, if you rub it like too soft, it'll loosen up the wall.
Oh, drop off.
Dig it up. The more the man for this learning us. But you don't understand now. You may do something, you have to take charge. And can't wait until me day here. You might try when I'm there to take charge. I will try and take charge from now.
From now.
So me gone and can fulfill in the space. That's why I say if a man don't want to learn, come to me.
Yeah.
You know it.
All the man
you want it, try and learn it. You don't want it because I have it.
Don't have it already. So you only can pass it on to who want to learn.
Who want to learn it, learn it. Who don't want it, try with them. You understand me?
Who want to learn, learn.
You don't see them future already. I grew up and I realized that driving truck. Now, the other skill, improve on it.
Yeah. This guys, so this is what you call details. Finishing sharp like a razor, smoother than a blazer. This is what they call details. Getting the wall smooth.
There's one thing I want some more stuff. Mix up a little bit. We want 2 shoulders and try and finish with them all as well.
Yeah. Details of the bathroom. Whoa. Woo. Shower. Shower. So, chef, ready to shower? Ready natural? See the barrier, guys. Right there, step over. Make the shower. Yes, sir. Pipe turn on. Nice. So here is where the toilet is gonna be, and the face basin here. Washing machine can come right here. So this is why I naturally leave this space for the washing machine. Wow. Eh? What they can make it up? Boom, make it up for me.
Look at granite cement then, huh?
Look at granite more. Two shovel more. Just 2 shovel. Hey, so wait there. So me now. Wait there. Boom.
See what I am, man. Say you will start and finish it in a granite, you can't let it alone.
See there.
That's right.
Yeah.
So instead of work when you do it, you will just know say
you don't want so much of this?
No.
It's 2 shovel.
Let's take out 2 shovels, man. Full shovel, man.
The shovel behind there.
There's 1 shovel need to.
1 shovel.
Take out 1 shovel and see. One shovel and put us.
Details. So in here ready to paint already.
Finishing, man. Finishing touch, man.
Details, man. The thing must look sharp. So the bathroom must look different today. You put the step over a while ago.
So
it make the whole difference, the step over.
Come to end of the building, huh?
Yeah. So that's washer ventilation. Okay, washer someone put up AC. Washer says that AC will go on, you know.
I want overheat.
No, I'm saying I want the AC.
Pull them down.
Kitchen counter. Seem that we might live long.
Got the mic. You should sharp boss and short, you know. Yeah,
Why mix up this?
Yeah, I mean, myself. See you, myself. Come on.
Oh, chef, where you say AC?
You can ask that genius. You can get the double barrel one. You have the double barrel one.
Where you say double barrel AC?
I'm tired of coolness, you know.
Yeah.
Double barrel one, actually. Yeah, you can get a double barrel one. Double barrel one.
Yes, actually, you can get that? Can you get that?
You can get a double barrel one.
Never see that one, you know, because I want to. So I want to come for that space, huh?
I New York, you have to get that from wow.
Oh, New York, I'm going to get that one.
Yes. So remember say, yes. Remember say when you go to the embassy, you tell them say you have manners.
Yeah, no,
and them say manners carry through the world. You see me? So when you go, they say listen, me have manners and I need a visa. You see me? Them say manners carry through the world. They say please.
If you come and tell manners carry through the world and give them a visa, you know what else?
Exactly. What else am I going to tell you?
Manners carry through the world. So look out for me, you know.
So what else am I going to teach you then? Eh?
Yeah, don't look out for me.
Man, the guy embassy and turn down and say, if you have enough ties, you know.
Yeah.
The man go back, and we are around 30 ties, and say, why we have so much ties? And say, last enough, come tell you have to have enough ties. Enough.
Yeah, natural. You know, guys. Natural. So when the man goes to the embassy, they tell him have a lot of ties.
Yeah.
So the man go and come back and put on the 50 different ties.
After getting this and go back.
Yeah.
And only for ties. Why have so much time? Say, because they tell me to wear a lot of
ties, yeah. So you say because you don't tell him to wear a lot of ties, the man go and put on all different color ties. So them still turn him down?
Turn him down where?
Ah, you couldn't turn him down.
Turn him down.
And them times they need a lot of ties. So you see, at the same way worship I get the visa. Because them say manners carry through the world. So once we go and tell them, so listen, my name is Worship and I have manners. You know, first I say good morning or good afternoon or good evening.
Once we enter the building, I have to tell them morning.
Yes.
Security guard, police officer, everybody me have a morning.
Yeah.
Who don't want to man for them business?
Yes.
I want to go manage a camera too.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
So guys, look out for Worship.
Look out for me, you know.
Come in New York because he's going to embassy very soon because he have manners.
Yeah,
so I carry him through the world.
Yeah,
you know?
Manners carry through the world. I mean that, you hear that?
Of course.
Oh, chef, man.
Yeah, man. Only for manners, me have manners till more. I don't even know for manners all myself. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see? Only for manners, me have man.
Manners are bored, manners left.
You got a lot of girl, boy.
Yeah, I tell you. And though if them ask you to show some ties,
oh, ties?
You just go and come back and go buy some tie.
No, so never wear a tie yet.
Yeah.
Try it, you know. I go put on a suit, though, and I put on a tie.
And put on 10 different ties. And show them to see there. I got 10 different ties.
I go wear a suit first, you know. Put on a suit. Jacket suit or the chin piece.
I want nice now, boy.
Pretty.
Yeah, Details, boy.
Chelsea logo pants, you know. None of them tied yet. None of them tied yet out there, man. You have to build it, you know. You have to build that one there. New York tie, natural.
Got this smooth. Sharp like a... This and that's smooth. Just like a silk.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.